केरळ संस्कृतीचे दर्शन घडोवपी ओणम उत्सव आयतारा 18 सप्टेंबराक दिवचले मनयतले. केरळ भवानी स्थापन केल्ल्या कल्पका कल्चरल असोसिएशना वतीन ह्या उत्सवाचें आयोजन केलां. ते निमतान बिचोलीम सर्ती सयत वेगवेगळ्यो सांस्कृतीक कार्यावळी जातल्यो. दिवचलचे आमदार डॉ चंद्रकांत शेटये हांच्या हाजेरीन नुस्तेमार खात्याचे मंत्री निळकंठ हळर्णकर हांच्या हस्तुकीं ह्या उत्सवाचें उक्तावण जातलें. कल्पका असोसिएशनाचे अध्यक्ष PV जयप्रकाश हाणें पत्रकार परिशदेंत ही म्हायती दिली.
Harvest festival, something similar to the our Ganesh festival, and this festival takes for 10 days, and this year it has completed on 8th of this one. Now at Goa we are actually doing it at Kalpaika Cultural Association on 18th, which is a 2-day program, and 17th and 18th we have this function at the Mahamaya temple. We have the chief guest of Chief Guest Honorable Sri Neelkanta Halrangar, Honorable Minister of Fisheries, Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Sciences, Factories and Boilers. Guest of honor is our Bicholim MLA, Dr. Chandrakant Chetty, and the many other dignitaries are also we are invited. We expect a total attendance of about 1,000 people. And the entire function is in with a Pukkalam, which is known as a floral carpet, and then we have our own children and women and all the people are going to do their different cultural programs. Thereafter a social function is there, and subsequently the typical vegetarian food with approximately 25 dishes in the banana leaf, and subsequently there will be an afternoon one program from the Kerala, that is basically a Nadan particle, which is basically known as folk songs with art forms. So that's a full day program. We have scheduled it, packed up program, we have kept it, and this is a moment for us, all of us, to be culturally aligned, socially aligned, and then to see that everybody is enjoying the happy moments, at least for this particular season.